Okay, so I have two Skew chisels here. They're both 1-inch Hamlet. The Skew chisel, this is the HCT 106 with a rolled edge, and this is the HCT 102 with a square edge. When we're sharpening these, it's pretty much the same with both chisels. We get the SVS 50, and we take out the part. This is the part that I have sitting in there most of the time for doing my roughing gouges. I probably sharpen those a little bit more than my Skew chisels. And we just change it over with this piece in the middle here. And then the Tormek tool setter is what I use to set my protrusion out, so how far out of the jig that my chisel is going to sit. Once you learn how to ride the bevel on them, you can do a lot with them and you can get some really nice finishes and some really nice cuts with them.